Hi, hello. So welcome again. So 2 days later, today I'm going to explain about one more special phylum, a different type of animals, which is called as Ctenophora. So let us see the general characteristics of Ctenophora. So I want to try something different. So slideshow I am showing, right? So Ctenophora, the phylum name Ctenophora, right? So Ctenophora, what are the general names of these Ctenophora? Ctenophora are called as comb jellies, sea gooseberries, sea walnuts, and why they are called so? Because they look like jellies, they look like gooseberries, they look like sea walnuts. Because most of them, why sea here means most of them are marine, that means salt water, seas and oceans they will be living, that's why sea gooseberries, sea walnuts. So jellies, and they are transparent animals, so they are transparent and also they exhibit bioluminescence. Luminescence means emitting light. The process of emitting light is called as luminescence, and here the living things are emitting light, so they are called as, that process is called as bioluminescence. So these animals exhibit bioluminescence. Okay, so I will show you how they look like, why they are called gooseberries, walnuts. See these animals are looking like gooseberries or walnuts. Okay, so because of these stripes, you can see these stripes, and they are looking like jellies. See, they are transparent animals. They are transparent, and also they are emitting light. You can see here they are emitting light, so that's why transparent and bioluminescence, these are the general names, and this is the special characteristics of this phylum. And then coming to the other characteristics, habitat, if you see, they are mostly marine. They are mostly marine, sea saltwater animals, and then solitary. They live individually, not in groups. Solitary, and they are also not sedentary. Okay, they are not sessile. They are free living animals. They are free living animals. That means they can swim freely. They won't fix to some place. And then germ layers, if you see, they are diploblastic animals. Ectoderm and endoderm only will be there. There will be no mesoderm. And the level of organization, these animals are tissue grade animals. So we see only the tissues, cells group to form tissues. We don't see other levels, that is organs and organ systems. We don't see in these animals. And then symmetry, if you see, they are radially symmetrical. So Cnidaria and Ctenophora are the two phylums with radial symmetry. Echinodermata also comes under radial symmetry, right? So you can see other characters. You can see for locomotion, how do they move, how do they swim? They can swim with the help of these comb plates. These are the comb plates with cilia. So ciliated comb plates, they help in locomotion, they help in swimming. These are the comb plates with the cilia. What are cilia? Cilia are the small hair like structures, right? So locomotion is over. Next, nerves. Nerve nets, we can see nerve nets. We have seen nerve nets in the Cnidaria also. In the Cnidaria, a pair of nerve nets will be present in the epidermis, we said, and a pair in gastrodermis. Here also nerve nets will be present for coordination and then sensory system cells will be present, which are called as statocysts for senses. Okay, next regeneration capacity. If you see, regeneration is common in these animals. Okay, now digestive system, if you see, not system, digestion, right? Digestion, if you see, here you can see only mouth. Okay, a mouth like structure you can see. Gastrovascular cavity, you can see, this is the gastrovascular cavity, this is the gastrovascular cavity, and in this gastrovascular cavity, this is called as the pharynx, and this is the stomach. This chamber is called as stomach. Okay, so now parts of um, gastrovascular cavity. So gastrovascular cavity consists of pharynx, you can see pharynx, stomach, and gastrovascular canal, right? Only one opening they have, right? And digestion, extracellular digestion, first extracellular digestion takes place in the cavity, and then intracellular digestion also takes place secondarily. Next, right, now the other character about reproduction. So you see, cnidarians are the unisexual animals, but here the ctenophora are the bisexual animals. They are monoecious. Mono means single individual animal, contain or produce both sperms and eggs. That's why they are monoecious. And then bisexual. Bisexual is a general word we use. Hermaphrodites. And only sexual reproduction we can see in these animals, and fertilization is external fertilization, because most of them are marine living. External fertilization takes place. And development, indirect development we will see, that means the life cycle includes larval stage. So larval stage is called as cydipid larva. Larva is called as cydipid larva. If the development is indirect form, larva stage is included, then larva will have some names, like previously cnidarians, planula, we call the larva of cnidaria as planula, and the larva of porifera we called it as amphiblastula or parenchyma. In the same way, here also larva form is there, and the larval form is called as cydipid larva. And the examples, if you see, pleurobrachia, Tinoplana, and another name, Bero. Another example is Bero. This is Bero. This picture is showing, I am showing here, it is Bero. Beroe, Bero. So these are the general characteristics of Ctenophora. Ctenophora is, in this Ctenophora phylum, very few animals are included in this phylum. So this type of phylums in which few animals or few species are existing, the type of phylums are called as minor phylums. Minor phylums examples are, Ctenophora is one example of a minor phylum, and Hemichordata is also example for a minor phylum, and remaining all the phylums are the major phylums. So two types of phylums are there, major phylums and minor phylums, based on the number of species included in that phylum. Okay, thank you. Next we'll continue with the next phylum soon.